Hey, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. I wanted to share with you some of my favorite AI images I've ever made and a little bit about what went into creating them. I loved making these. When I look back at them, I realized they're all different worlds I wanted to visit. This isn't a step-by-step tutorial. Think of this more like a recipe. I'm going to talk about the ingredients that went into each image. Just by combining images, effects, styles, and prompts together with different AI models, I got very creative results. As a bonus, I'm also handing out a link to my Firefly board so you can see for yourself what went into each image and try some of these ingredients. This one came together in stages using Nano Banana 3. The idea stayed the same. What changed was the mood. This started out with a basic studio shot. Then, using Nano Banana 3, I edited the image in stages to only change parts and see what needed changing next. The delight at the end was the bokeh lighting effect that worked so well with the colorful neon lights. These came from Firefly 3 as the image model, which is interesting because it's not the newest one. But for structured ideas like typography and graphic illustration, it stuck to the composition better than the newer models did. So I don't automatically reach for the latest model anymore. I use what the image needs. Try your own initial as a composition reference and decide what goes inside to see what it looks like. These worlds came from subprompts in Firefly Boards. I didn't describe everything in the prompt. That's the best part about using subprompts. They help me explore creative ideas. I just added the subject and sometimes the scene and used subprompts to engineer a look. That's what made these feel like places instead of just images. These next two were created in Photoshop and enhanced using Harmonize, which blends the lighting between foreground and background, producing some surprising results. In this composite, I added a studio shot of a woman to an image of a world I generated with some basic color and scene ideas in the prompt. To make the studio shot look more like the person was in the world, I used Harmonize, which added pink and blue hues to her face. It's a world full of color. And in this composite of a basketball player, I used Harmonize again to bring in some orange lighting to her jersey, and she looks like she's flying. Across all of these, what mattered most wasn't the prompt. It was choosing the right ingredients. I pinned my Firefly board in the comments if you want to see what went into these or try your own variations. I'd love to see what you create. Here's more AI tools and workflows.